So after that is done, the cutting, then we do the sketch on the front plane. Okay, so we sketch the front plane for the bridge of the toe caliper, because this is a fixed caliper. So this is our sketch normal 2. Okay, I sketch toe circle for the hole. Okay, toe circle for the hole, and then I convert entity on this area. Okay, and then I make draw sketch a line. So this will be the bolt on the center of the caliper, and then I make also on this side. Okay, so actually this one you can put until here, right? Because this part is your rotor disc, because here there will be a bolt also. So we can make the sketch, right? So I use a spline. Okay, so from here I can just put a line. All right, touching that line, and then I do the straight line here, going here. So I'm going now to trim the excess. So this is the excess, right? So the same thing on the other side, spline, and then from this point, okay, on this line. All right, and then we trim this area. Okay, once done, check, and then we close the sketch. So this is our extrude boss. How much do we extrude? Okay, we have to repair to the diameter of the rotor disc. So let's check on the rotor disc. Okay, on the rotor disc, we can measure, evaluate, measure. Okay, I want this side and this side. So wait, close, never measure the, I want to measure from this edge and to this, the outer edge, from this edge. Okay, so now you can see that the thickness of the rotor disc is 30 mm. So we go on our sketch. Okay, so on our sketch we edit the extrude boss. So 30 mm the thickness. This will be multiplied by 2, so when we mirror it becomes 60. So we got 30 mm for the space of the 30 mm for the rotor disc, and then 15 mm for both brake pad. So a total of 15 plus 15 plus 30 is equal to 60. So when we mirror, this will become times 2, so it's 60. Okay, check. All right, so now we have already made the caliper like this, so we can hide this sketch so that we can see properly. Okay, to hide this sketch, we go on our first sketch, this sketch we hide. All right, so now this is already our caliper. What we can do now here is to mirror. Okay, when we mirror, You have to do all the pileting first before we mirror. So here we have pillet, some do pileting. Okay, so edit. So we do the pileting, everything that you need to pillet before you mirror. Okay, I pillet 1 mm only. All right, so 1 mm pileting. Okay, check, and then I mirror it. Okay, so on mirror we edit. Okay, so we select this face, and then the paste is, we select this area. So let's say clear this one, clear selection. So we just select the face of the extruded cut like this one. Okay, and then check. All right, so because it's mirror, the Brembo on the other side is opposite. So after mirroring, we are going to put the mounting bracket, which is on this area. Okay, so what we do is, okay, so the sketch that we did, edit sketch. All right, so I make first a circle. So from this point on the center of origin, because I start my drawing on the center of origin, and then I put a circle. Okay, normal to. All right, and then I put two circle. This is the mounting bracket of our caliper, and then I make it solid, extrude it with the thickness is, all right. This is our extrude boost. Okay, extrude by 20 mm. So our caliper is already completed. So these are jumper, so you can delete this one. All right, delete. Yes. Okay, there is. Okay, so if you notice this one, the two pipe is not yet connected. So to connect these two, we just sketch here, sketch, then convert entity. Converting entity, we have the outer circle already, and then we have to convert the inside also. All right, and then check. So we have two sketch on this space. What we gonna do, we extrude. Okay, and then we click this one up to surface. So we select the surface of this. All right, check. So now they are already joined. Okay, to color this, I just, let's say I want the color to be yellow. I just click this one, and then here, all right, I select, let's say I want yellow. This is extrude boss, this is only this one, so I clear this selection. All right, and then I want the entire body. Okay, and then select yellow. Cannot select, wait, we repeat. Clear selection, close, expand, and then we select yellow. All right, so all are yellow. If you want yellow, if you want gold, so up to you what you want. You say I want this one to be red, so it's red. Okay, check. Now for the date name, this one I click first before I expand this one, and I want the extrude boss. So on the extrude boss, I want it to be color yellow, or to be color green, or to be color blue, up to you. So I want yellow, so it's yellow. Okay, So that's it in designing our caliper.